what have I gotten myself into this time? It's a 1985 Maserati Biturbo, and it's been sitting for a few years, not running, but it's already got a aftermarket side skirt, so that's cool. It's a little loose, but I can fix that. And it's got some rust there, but I can fix that. And it's got rust here, but I can fix that. And that. And the clear coat's peeling. And so on. Anyway. Maserati. Needs a new Maserati logo. Might be able to clean that one up. I like the little spoiler. I'd like a little bigger spoiler, but it's cool that it has one to start with. So, the tail lights are in pretty good shape. Maybe just a little crack there. The tires hold air. He said the tires haven't been aired up in like a couple of years, so they're squishy. Like, I can tell they're a little bit low, but yeah, it's a Maserati, and I got it for pretty cheap. I mean, it wasn't free or anything, but you know, it's a project. The seats, maybe you're wondering, are actually in the back of my truck. So, you know, and there's a few other parts in the cab of the truck, like the instrument cluster. Maserati. It's my first Italian car. I usually go for Supras from the 80s. Sometimes Mark III. Well, no, I've never had a 90s, 90, 91, 92 Toyota Supra. But you know what? You can't find mid-80s, late 80s Supras for $500 anymore. They just don't come up, at least not complete, like, you know, with an engine and everything. Let's see, the hood release. This is this guy right there. And then the secondary latch is kind of this interesting little piece here, very 80s Italian. So, yeah, there's basically a nightmare of wiring going on in here, and corrosion, but, you know, clean that up, and it'll say Maserati again, and, you know, replace different hardware bits with some stainless steel fasteners. And I'm guessing the engine oil hasn't been changed in a while because the filter's got rust on it. Yeah, just it's gonna require a bit of my summer, or hopefully no more than a summer. I've heard that one of the weak spots on these old Maseratis is this fuse panel in here, and I'm already starting to see, like, what is that? What is that stuff? Is that corrosion? I don't know. Maybe, probably. Anyways, I might have to take that wiring fuse panel apart and clean it up, resolder it, maybe even send it out, have a guy redo it. I think there's a completely, like, already redone one for almost $1,000, which is a little spendy. I like to do my project cars, do as many of my own tricks as I can. I like to get it done right, of course. I want to do a lasting repair, which the dash needs to be completely redone, and honestly, not a fan of the peanut butter brown interior, so I'm just going to do everything black, and it's going to take me a while. And then this wood trim is hilarious. It's plastic. I'm pretty sure this is plastic. It's yeah, it's just a thin strip of plastic. So I'm gonna put some actual, I'm thinking black walnut with a black stain would look really cool. But anyway, that's what I got. I got a whole lot of work ahead of me, but I think it's gonna end up really looking really cool.